Hi everyone, AK here. In this video I'm going to share with you how to create a custom audiences in the Facebook Manager. So you come here, all tools, and then you pick audiences, and then you come to the audiences page. You see those are active, those I created today, still gathering information, still too small. This one also I created today, still small. So basically what you do, you come here, you click on custom audience, and then what we're gonna do now is audience coming from website traffic. The other options we will discuss it in a different video. So this is basically the most used one from website traffic. So you click on it, and then because your pixel is set already, you'll see it here. So basically you click on this drop down, and you can pick it based on all the website traffic or for specific, let's say, term, like the word choose in a specific URL, or by the time spent. But the most used one is by page views. So I'm gonna pick select page view. And then you select the number of days that you want this custom audience. You can select up to maximum 180 days to track the traffic of this custom audience, and then you refine them by a specific URL. So let's say ahmedalkiremli.com, and you name your audience. Let's say Ahmed Kiremli.com visitors. Okay. It's loading for a while. Okay. So, and you create audience here. You can create a lookalike audience immediately. But we will gonna discuss this later in a different video. So basically this is the audience that we created. It's populating now, it's collecting data. So the point of the number of the days of audience, like when you pick, let's say here I picked 180 days for this specific URL, is sometimes when you do ads, you want to show an ad. Like example, I want to show a specific ads for the people who visited a specific website for only 4 days. Okay, like example, and then I can create another audience for the same URL, but let's say for 8 days. Okay, so I have two different audiences, one for 4 days and one for 8 days. And later on, when I target, I can show a different ad for the people who visited for 4 days, and then I can show a different ads for the people who visited the site for the next 4 days, like from day 5 to 8. By when I create the second ad, is basically I will include the audience for 8 days and exclude the audience for 4 days. So basically Facebook will know that I want only the visitors for the second ad to show for the people from day 5 to day 8, because I excluded the first visitors for the 4 days, and so on. You can create for 12 days and let's say exclude the ones before it. So that's the whole point of the number of days here when you create audiences. That's it for this video. See you soon with another video.